This is the amiable water life. Started with a few broken planks. After 6 months of upgrading by men, not only do you succeed in leading a well-off life, he also adopted a bunch of cats, dogs, birds, and beasts, and it turned the wooden survival method that started in hell into a water palace, with 3 bedrooms and 1 living room today. Yesterday, Abu expansion deck planted rice. Today, I feel that the living area is still a bit small, so we expanded it using the remaining logs so that he can still have a warehouse to store food in the future when there is a storm. Thinking of this, Abu quickened his hand speed. Soon a new lucky platform appeared, then continued to extend the frame to frame the roof of the shelter and the vegetable garden he planted before also successfully harvested the first batch of fruit. Of course, this has something to do with his meticulous care. The way the top tiles are made is a little different. I saw that he first received some bamboo strips, and you build a fire and you burn the bamboo off. Finally weave it together, forming tiles with radiance. This shows how professional Abu is. After he finally surrounded the party and arranged the roller shutters, the renovation of the new gazebo is fully completed. With exquisite splicing craftsmanship, the average engineering team doesn't dare to say they can do it. After it's done, drink a cup of herbal tea and blow on a gentle wind. Life in the wild is so easy and comfortable. At this time, it is time for the temporary stove built before to be updated and replaced. He chose a new location directly below the warehouse. Put on a layer of mold for positioning first, and then fill it with clay. This neatness. When I was a child, I grew up playing with mud. The effect of Abu Maliu's life experiment after doing a good job. The new fireplace has more concentrated smoke exhaust, and it burns very well. Cooking efficiency is also much faster than before. The taste of this delicious bamboo shoots fried snails is just right. After eating, you can refresh yourself without hurting the horse. After a heavy rain, the whole new house comes alive. Looking at the masterpiece of his hard work for more than half a year, let Abu's sense of achievement fill up in an instant. As the weather is not suitable for outdoor work, it's better to stay at home and invent innovation. He sharpened a bamboo at the speed of light and hollowed out the middle. Then I found some fishing line that was crossed up and down and connected in series. Turns out he wanted to weave a fishing net. It's more efficient after all. Unexpectedly, in addition to his superb construction memory, Abu, needlework is also a good hand. Soon a 3 fishing net was done. He then set the supports around the pond and connected the pulley. To remove the crane, you just unfold the net like this, and you can turn it by hand to go down and up with one click. And seeing the sunset. Night fishing can be very difficult. Fortunately, Abu has his own way. I saw him hanging a camping lamp in the middle of the fishing net, and fish are affected by the light and congregate there. This is really true of the saying, learn mathematics, physics, and chemistry well. Travel the world without fear. To cook this rare delicacy, Abu also immediately started the pan to burn oil and put it in the pan to fry. Then I picked a few cucumbers and hand-grown colored peppers. Make yourself a secret dip, and the standard of living is more luxurious than the average person can live at home. Even the dog gets his fair share. After eating, Abu plans to digest it and take his little sidekick to set off immediately. Today, Abu is ready to explore deep in the jungle. After all, there are not many supplies on the shore. He walked along the side of the stream. Finally, a cave was discovered under the waterfall. There's also a bamboo bed under the cave that looks like someone has occupied it before. At this moment, the dog suddenly heard something. A closer look turned out to be just stray kittens. Let it go, they may not survive for a few days. So Abu also decisively took him away. The little guys are not afraid at all. Now there are a few more mouths to eat. Abu took out precious fish stocks without hesitation. Arranged their first meal in their new home. In the blink of an eye, more than a month has passed. The rice in his vegetable field is about to ripen. That is, your bamboo boat is about to fall apart. So Abu went straight to find a huge log to make a brand new wooden method for myself. So he had an idea, and he sawed the logs into squares, then used the rope to locate the scribe dark equal length to cut many wooden pens. for uneven surfaces. Abu still has to hit lobsters with leopards. Finally apply gum nails to fix. Assemble it together. The materials used in this construction are more solid, and it's perfectly aerodynamic. It's not a problem to keep it for 2.5 years. And then polish the bottom. This minimizes navigation resistance. When Abu finally had the splints installed and the oars carved out of the planks, a brand new manual speedboat is complete. From the appearance, it feels that the speed will be much faster. Abu was also immediately launched into the water for testing. The result was not what he expected. If this is used to collect materials in the future, that would definitely save 10x the travel time. Tomorrow he will harvest the rice he has planted and mash it into flour. And then you can really feed yourself.